If you cannot download apps from the Play Store on POCO F8 Ultra or POCO F8 Pro, if you are stuck on pending, then here's what you can do. So the first thing that you can do is simply close the Play Store completely. After that, we're gonna turn off our Wi-Fi and mobile data. You want to turn off both of these things. Next, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, we're gonna open additional settings. Then we're gonna choose date and time and make sure that date and time is set to automatic as well as the time zone. And after that, you can go back to Wi-Fi and mobile data. We can turn it back on. And then you can open the Play Store and see if that helps. So you want to try to download the app again. And if it didn't work, you can also restart your phone just to make sure that everything has been reset properly. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.